All right, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys had a great day. By the way, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, definitely put it down in the comment section below. If you guys have anything you guys want to talk about, I try to answer all my comments as much as I can, right? Sometimes I can't answer everything because I got multiple channels. But again, I want to play a little bit of chess right here. I've been getting my butt kicked lately, but maybe today it's going to be a little bit different. Maybe today it's going to be that day that I catch a break, right? And I like this right here. Sometimes I get really complicated and I get kind of bored because I always kind of do the same thing. So I do kind of have to change my strategy a little bit, but like this right here to me, it's always kind of good because if I take this knight here on c6, now he's gonna have to take me, right? He has no other way. And look what happened. He kind of opens his position right there, right? So again, that's one of the things that not trading all the time, but trading every now and then, when it makes sense, when it's gonna make the other guy a little bit more, I guess in a way, weaker defense is something that I like to do. So again, here I am. Obviously, he's attacking me right here. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna castle. I'm gonna hope that he gets this. Yeah, he did. I'm gonna come right here, and I'm gonna target this pawn right here on c6, which looks like I'm doing a check. So he's gonna have to move the king, but if he makes a mistake of wanting to trade, to me, that's good. Now, I'm going to kind of come up here, see what's happening. Man, I like to do this. Let's see. All right. Let's trade. Good. Let's let's take this palm out of the way. I feel like it's on the way. It looks like I got it. It looks like I'm trying to fight it. I see him coming here. That's not gonna be that much. If I give him check with my rook, he's gonna have to go down this way. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's plan this. All right, so he's here. So if I bring my queen all the way down here, no, because then he could come down way. Let me take my knight out and develop this way. Okay, so that's a check right there. Take this. Man, I think I'm catching a break. I must be catching a break because I've been getting destroyed lately. I've been getting destroyed lately. All right, he came out with this. So, okay, he's targeting right here. Come on, man. Why you got to do that? Why you got to do that? So, I could take his rook and give him check. Then I lose this. All right, let's give him check. Okay. Feel like probably not the best. So, if I come here, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose that right there. I'm gonna lose that knight. I'm definitely gonna lose that knight. But it is what it is. I mean, I could come here, D1. If he takes my queen, I take his queen, but he's probably gonna take this. So I don't know. All right, let's just lose it. Okay, we're here. We lose the knight. It's okay. We're gonna come down here. D1. Okay, so we're gonna give him a check right here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, and we're gonna come down. Okay, we came down here. D8. He won't be able to take my queen. Because, actually, no. Oh, man. You got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me, man. I can't believe I did that. All right. I cannot believe I did that. This is why you got to play. You got to play into the end. You got to play into the end hard. Right? You really got to play hard because things like this could happen. Right? So, wow. That's ridiculous. Check. I'm always concerned at this time right here because obviously he can he could introduce that pawn and then screw me over. That's what he's trying to do. So check. Check. All right, there we go. I was like, man, I know I probably won that game. So again, pretty. I made some mistakes in that game right there, but pretty good game. Finally, I get one. The last two videos that I have posted here has been me losing. So finally, I get one. By the way, what I do is that when I play here, whatever happened, I put it up here. Whatever happened, I put it up here because I'm not an expert. I'm just trying to get better and trying to enjoy myself. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. Subscribe. And as always, God is in control.